One day there was a little blue and white bird named Timmy. His dad had just finished telling him that they would be moving to a new nest in Amsterdam. At first, Timmy was upset. However, when they arrived to Amsterdam, he soon made many new friends. A few months later, Timmy had stopped seeing many of the blue birds with white feathers. He started to wonder why they had all disappeared. Timmy's dad told him they were playing a big game of hide-and-go-seek. He whispered that they would need to find a hiding place so that the birds, as red as fire, wouldn't be able to find them. It only took a few hours for Timmy and his dad to find a hiding place in the hollow of a weeping willow tree. This is where they would stay until the hide-and-go-seek game was over. Timmy and his father stayed in the willow tree for months, hiding from the dangerous red birds. To pass time, Timmy pecked away. He inscribed short stories and current events in the bark of a willow tree. Just when Timmy thought they were safe, a tyrant red bird knocked on the door of the tree. He isolated the bluebirds and forced them into separate cages. Timmy sat in his cage all by himself. He longed to be flying high in the sky with all of his friends. He wondered if his father was safe. Just like the willow tree, he started to weep. Timmy's dad had surprisingly escaped from captivity. He feared that he would never see Timmy again. Now Timmy's dad was at their old nest, thinking of ways to honor his forever family and friends. This survivor decided to honor his family and friends by publishing his son's diary. The stories of the beautiful blue birds and their journeys were chirped from flock to flock.